Well, the guitar, that Les Paul, falls down on the floor and it's got a broken headstock, so it needs to be repaired. First thing I done, I just glue together the two parts with some carpet and glue and hold it with a screw clamp for about 1 day. And I decided to drill two round holes in a way that to keep the two broken parts together. So here you can see the two holes I made on the headstock. It goes through the two parts, and later on I'm gonna glue it, and in the holes I'm gonna put two small pieces of wood, round wood there. Those are the pieces of wood I'm gonna put there, and that's the glue I'm using. So you glue the two holes and you glue the two pieces of wood as well. They are cut at the same size like the holes, and that's how it looks once they are fixed in the place with the glue. Of course, all this later on gonna need to be sanded off and give it a smooth finish. But what I'm looking for is to keep the headstock strong, the two parts together, so there is no tuning issues that hold the strain of the strings. Well, here I put some reinforcements, some wood reinforcements in the brake as well. Just to keep it level. And later on I decided to make another hole. Here's the third hole, you can see it on the left. Because the two first work well, so I thought that with the third hole will still be stronger. And this is the third hole I made. And then I make another one, so it's going to be a total of 4 holes with 4 pieces of wood there. So I think it's a good way to keep the two parts together, and it will stay really strong. So here you can see that the fourth hole with the 4 sticks in there from behind and on front. Of course, later on a job sanded will need to be done and a proper finish. But for the moment, the headstock is strong. It's strong, it will not break. Well, the cat, she is not very interested in the job I'm doing, but anyway, maybe some other time. Well, here a little bit of sand it off with a small grain paper. So the neck looks smooth, and of course some black stain gonna be needed to put in there, which is a job I'll be doing later on. But first, this needs to be sanded off. Here you can see the sticks in there. Some more sand off, and on front as well, on the front part, we're gonna sand it off. But like I'm saying, in this way, the two broken parts are strong. They're gonna hold. Here is a little bit in front as well. You can see the crack there, which is also gonna need to be smoothed off. So here is a little bit of black stain to cover the part. In front as well, some black stain there. And later on this would be polished, so it looks more equal to the original look. That's a little bit how it looks now. Here with the tuners, put it back in. Well, then that's the guitar back to life, and this is how it sounds.